All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday to each and every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend wherever you are around the world. I apologize for not giving you guys the Solana and ICP update late last night. I just decided to sleep a little earlier. Sometimes you just need that. But we're back. We're going to be talking about Solana, see what is happening with the price of Solana, and of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As far as the entire market goes, we're seeing slowly but surely some coins going back into the red. But at the same time, there's still quite a bit of green across the board, but we're going to be discussing what exactly is next. So if we're looking at the price of Solana today, it's down about 1.8%, and it's below its psychological price point, which is the $100 mark. So of course right now we are below it. We're currently sitting at $98, and we're also down about 1.5% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours, with its market cap currently sitting at $42.7 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.4 billion. So doing daily analysis, is the beauty of seeing everything. We see what has changed. We see what exactly is happening. And right now, compared to yesterday, the overall volume as far as Solana has gone down. And you can see that for yourself. We're currently sitting at $1.4 billion. But the question that I see every single person asking over and over again, not just for myself, but also on crypto Twitter, the most conversation revolves around the price. Why is the price not breaking towards its all-time highs? Why is the price not hitting a yearly high? And that is so funny to me because people tend to think that, we're going to see, all-time highs being retested in a snap of a finger. Unfortunately, that's not what happens. There are times where, consolidation, a lot of sideways movements come in. We're going through that phase right now. Something similar as to what we've seen pretty much the entire year of 2023, except quarter four of last year when things just absolutely exploded for Solana. And, only some people tend to see that. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. But before we get into it, you guys know at this point, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off with BTC first, because Bitcoin, something I discussed yesterday, I really wanted Bitcoin to do. It was unable to do that. And now you guys might be saying, what exactly has Bitcoin not done, Crypto ZX? Bitcoin is still above $43,000, so why are you complaining? I'm complaining because, yesterday we were very close to retest this resistance, and you guys don't understand how important this resistance really is, because if we actually get a close above this resistance, I'm expecting we could see another rally for the entire market. So, if you're looking at it, we're having a hard time getting back to this resistance. And you can pretty much see just by these wicks over the past few days as well, two different wicks to that resistance. Of course, a rejection. Yesterday, we were unable to close, above that range. And right now, we're sitting at $43,000. And we have about 4 hours until we close out the daily candle. And of course, right now, we're on a weekend. And on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation. But basically, what you want to be looking at is this resistance right here is quite a strong resistance, and that is why in return we're having a hard time breaking back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's that. Of course, now I'm sure people at this point are starting to get the visualization as to how important this level of resistance really is. And as far as Bitcoin dominance index goes, it's pretty much been picking up since, its lows on the 14th of this month. But let's take a look at the price of Solana, because that is what everyone is here for, and that's what I'm going to be discussing. So first, today, all you want to be focusing in on is not this price, not the $97.90 price. I want to go back down memory lane, okay? I want to go down memory lane. Reason as to why I want to go down memory lane is because I want to show you guys something. And maybe this will make the newcomers coming into the space kind of understand as to how this market really works. Of course, look at this massive consolidation phase. I'm sure if you've been in the market pretty much since 2022, you know what Solana has gone through. So you could pretty much see after the FTX crash, we did see Solana bottom out at $8 almost. And then, we pretty much consolidated within this range. And I want you guys to focus on the resistance, which is at $26.86. So literally at the beginning of 2023, we saw several rejections, which were obviously rejected, made its way back down, all the way down to $18.35. So basically, you can pretty much see how many times we saw rejections, mainly the one in July. We saw Sol go up to $32, but boom, back down to retest $18. And imagine the uncertainty level around here. And then, of course, October was that sweet month where we finally broke out of here and, retested the levels that we were talking about, especially the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Once we got into this lane, things absolutely exploded. But look how beautiful this chart's still looking. And that's what people don't, tend to understand. People want to see these prices again, but, unfortunately, those days were there for everyone to accumulate. And, we're not just talking about a few weeks. This was a long consolidation phase. So, a lot of people were accumulating within this range. I was one of them. And, some of my viewers, I know which viewers were the ones that were picking up around here. And those are the ones that are sitting, quite comfortable right now within their positions. But right now what we're seeing with Sol is, it's having a hard time. It's having a hard time breaking a key resistance level once again. You can see this for yourself. In this case, we are starting to find a hard time breaking out into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Most importantly, the resistance at $108. And I've been quite clear why this $108 resistance is quite important, because once we break out of here, we will see a new yearly high. But, it has to break out of there. And, traders, the big market makers, guess what? They know these key resistances. It's not that Crypto ZX is only the one that knows this. There's a lot of people that know these key levels, and we're starting to see a pattern play out. When people that are leverage trading, futures trading, they know these key resistances, and I have been quite clear. During these key resistance levels, we tend to see a little bit of a retracement. But what you're starting to see coincidentally happen is, the price does not even touch the $108 resistance. We are literally just touching right below that, and we've seen rejections, and we also saw that happen on the 31st. So you can get the idea as to how important this resistance really is. So, I'm not too worried. You guys want to be looking at other numbers right now. As far as the native token goes, it's looking really, really good. If you guys want a quick reminder, let's go back down October 20th. If you picked up some Sol at $27, you are up right now 261%, which is absolutely insane. So you want to be looking at these numbers. Solana is holding really, really good. If you think it is not, I want you guys to maybe look again. And if you still have anything negative to say, then continue to say negative things at that point. But, numbers speak for themselves. I think you guys want to see what Solana is doing. It's breaking records left and right. And only some people see that. And, the people that do see that, the people that have patience are the ones that are going to, be happy at the end of the day. Same goes back to a few months back. Like I said, people that were accumulating here, understanding what they were doing, are the ones that are happy. And the ones that got on around here are the ones that are not happy. So I hope this makes you guys understand as to what is going on. Let me know down below your personal thoughts. What do you guys think? I love each and every one of you guys. You guys absolutely keep me going. Once again, appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, love you all, and I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.